We can use the Discussions feature in SAP Analytics Cloud to collaborate with other users in real time or through notifications. In this example, we'll use the Discussions panel to check some of the numbers in our forecast. First, we need to create a new discussion and then invite participants. We're presented with a list of all available users, which we can search for specific names and use to add one or more users. Once we've invited our participants, we can begin the discussion. We have options for collaboration, such as linking the current story, entering a simple message, and adding a related attachment. Files can be added either from the Files area or from a local folder. We can also create and assign tasks and processes through the discussion. For more details on working with tasks and processes in the calendar, refer to the appropriate videos. In this example, we'll create a simple task to have Kevin double-check the marketing expenses forecast for Q2 in the next couple of days. We'll add some more detail and then set Kevin as the assignee and John as the reviewer. When we log in as Kevin, we can use the notifications to join the discussion. From the Discussions panel, we can open any of the linked stories, attached files, or tasks or processes assigned to us. To edit the task, we can open the designer or click the notification. Here, we'll respond to the discussion and close the task. Back in John's account, we can see that Kevin has completed the task we assigned. We can open the discussion to review his response before closing the task. Finally, we can archive the discussion in case we need to double-check the thread at a later date. Note that we can also view a summary of attachments, manage participants, and delete the discussion. We can access archived discussions using the menu inside the Discussions panel. Thanks for watching.